Hey y'all, I wanted to show y'all tonight we're having baked chicken, and this is what it looks like. I use that rotisserie by McCormick. Y'all, it makes your chicken taste amazing. And so I also have here some of the cauliflower rice. I bought it in a pack from Sam's, and there's 4 bags in the pack, and so I just steamed that to go along with it. I'm not going to add anything to it. And I also did some bacon cheddar potatoes, and I do have a recipe for this on my page. So this is dinner. You all have a blessed night. Much love. Bye.
Yeah.